I mean, I feel like I can't take any more, but we're going to have to. And it's going to be with us for a long time. We have to balance any further restrictions with the threat to the economy. As we've said earlier, people's mental health, social isolation. But the inconsistencies in terms of the government responses, slow reactions, and the absolute madness, for example, last year, when it was announced that there would be a lockdown, but in 3 or 4 days' time, which meant that everybody could rush to the station, crowd without masks on hugely crowded trains, and spread COVID to the point of where 4 weeks later, I think we had our highest death rate ever of 1,800 and something, caused by the fact that we didn't lock down soon enough. And then we have, in more recent times, at the end of mandatory masks for those that aren't exempt. Why? What is the harm, if it actually does help, to keep people wearing masks on public transport? Because as soon as it became not mandatory, the underground trains I went on were completely crowded and most people weren't wearing masks.
So are you saying that we should keep up with these mask mandates and things like that?
Absolutely. And I think, obviously there are 5 million people in the country that have chosen not to be vaccinated. And I'm not sure if we really paid attention to the misinformation and mythology around the time that many of the, in particular, some of the media outlets that focus on people from minority ethnic communities, I don't think that we had really paid enough attention to how persuasive these anti-vax arguments were, and we didn't tackle that. And I'm against mandatory vaccinations, of course, as any decent Liberal would be, but we have to do something about that 5 million unvaccinated, and I'm just not sure what it is.